Hi everyone, my name is Pradeep. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Thanos Technologies. Back in 2015, when I was looking to identify problems in Indian agriculture space, I was interacting with IT employees in Hyderabad with agricultural backgrounds, families from rural areas, my own friends and family, extended family with agricultural operations, to understand about Indian agriculture. In India, every year, tens of thousands or even lakhs of labor keeps migrating from rural areas to cities for better life opportunities. Essentially, that means that in farming, the manual labor activity doesn't pay enough, and that motivates them to look for better opportunities in cities in entirely different applications. This domain itself is an urgent need of mechanization and, if possible, automation. Anything that is done by untrained manual labor results in